Giving you a short update on the market today. Today is a short day of the market. Today the market closes at 1 p.m. It normally closes at 4 p.m. but due to the holiday schedule, after Thanksgiving sales, before Christmas sales, and all that blah 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 blah, the market is closing early today, and the markets are doing pretty good. Markets are doing really well, and with the markets doing well in retail as well as industrials, it's it is a sight. Um, but it's no surprise. We all knew the market was going to go up after the election, and I am glad that it has done so. Before I share the portfolio, let me do this. Boom, boom, boom. It's always better to give to receive than to receive. There's 33. This one's 50. I love it. Theory has it beats. Love theory has it beats. So let's see what the market looks like so far before 9:30. S&P 500 is around 3630. The Dow is around 2987, 29872, I should say. Dow is always good when it's above the 30,000 mark, and I think it's going to hit that today. Nasdaq has been hovering because tech has been up lately. I refresh the screen, see if anything changes. Nothing much. I've been looking at the SPY, and the SPY has been changing since I've been up. The SPY actually ran on CNBC, and it was hovering around 64. Yeah, 364. There it is. 364.06. Yeah, so the market has been going up, especially the S&P 500. So I always look at the SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF, and I always look at it like it's basically 10% of what the S&P 500 is. So if we go back to Yahoo Finance homepage and we look at the S&P 500, this number right here is not really correct. They probably won't correct it until after 9:30. But it should be around 3,640. That's where it should be around. See, these numbers are actually given the last day that it started keeping track of time, which was November 25th at 5:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, and if we look at my portfolio in Robinhood, I'm currently up around $30 from the 25th. For the week, I'm up $49 or 15%. I'm still waiting on the best time to cash out or sell out my positions. I know I have to do them soon because of the closer you get to the expiration date, the least amount that you can make. So with the Nikola just ran up to around 30,000. It's about $30 a share now. Nikola, it ran up to where it used to be, but I think the run up is actually a bank imposed run up just to sell out again, because even though a lot of positions are going to go up tremendously, the bank is going to take advantage of those run-ups just like they did back in September the 2nd, and they're just all going to sell out at once. So I could see Nikola going basically back down to $17 a share again before January 15th. So I risked $25 on that one, and I'm gonna at least try to make the 25 back, but if not, I'll just sell out at the point that I'm at. With the VTI looks like I'm gonna get around, might be around 15%. Where's the percentage at? Yeah, around 17%. If I was to sell out now at the VTI, I will gain about 17%. I wanted to at least get 50 to 100%, but I'm gonna take what I'm given. And then I'm gonna continue the dollar cost on Apple, dollar cost average on Apple. So when January the 1st comes around, or January the 2nd comes around, I'm gonna be in a position to where I'm gonna see which brokerage account is going to do better when it comes to investing into the stock market using Robinhood versus Webull. Both of them have online applications as well as smartphone applications where you can manage your funds. I'm gonna see which one is better going into year 2021. I've been asked a lot of advice from people that want to get into the stock market and just with simple investing, and I've been given advice based off the advice that I've been taking in through the books that I've read and the podcasts that I listen to. I always recommend podcasts that is basically for us by us. So I recommend Earn Your Leisure. They do Market Mondays on YouTube, as well as the Come Up series with Mark Monroe, and his YouTube channel is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I also recommend Wall Street Trapper as well, because he does buy and holds. He doesn't really day trade, but buying and holding, and he gives you a pretty good entrance point to come in to start buying once you take his program. But Ian Dunlap is the master investor. He's a technical analyst along with Terry Ijiyama. So it's a lot out there where you can get information from, free information, as well as information that you can get joining their program, being in their specific group. If they come up, you come up. That's the type of program that they run. Mark Monroe, he specifically does options trading, and he basically teaches you the game for free. So if you're interested in learning options trading, which is also long-term investing, he doesn't do same-day trades or short-term trades. It's all long-term. So he does options trading going 6 months, a year, 2 years out. All right, and that is the Come Up series with Mark Monroe and Joel Lynn GC. So that's the advice that I give. The books that I always give out is Money Master the Game and Day Trading for Beginners. I give those books out if you want to do day trading. And when someone asks me what is the best thing to invest in, I'm a techie, so I'm gonna say tech, food, clothes, and shelter. Just do your homework on companies that are involved in technology, that are involved in food, that are involved in apparel or clothes, and then those that are involved in shelter. And then in the dispensation that we're in, I would not recommend this, but probably cannabis stocks as well. Yeah, with the new mental health crises and the just in the dispensation that we're in, cannabis stocks is going up as well. So that's my take. I'll do another one of these next week, preferably on the 2nd, on Wednesday. You guys be safe. Care for the ones that you love. Love the ones that you care about. Peace, and I'm out.